Mr. M. Vardha, Kainadi Samaj President, Malayalam Mission Chairman. Mr. R. Sabu, General, Mrs. R. Sabu, General Secretary, CTRMA. Mr. S. Alex, General Secretary, Kainadi Association. Now we are going to start our gathering. ആദ്യമായി പരിശുദ്ധമായ മനസ്സും നിറഞ്ഞ പുഞ്ചിരിയോടുള്ള മുഖവും സ്നേഹത്താൽ നിറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ഹൃദയവും മറ്റുള്ള വിഷമങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കുകയും അത് പരിഹരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു മനസ്സിന്റെ ഉടമയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ലിബി ബെഞ്ചമിൻ. We are honored to inform you that our President Sri Nivi was a special guest at the General Conference in St. Louis, USA. This incredible organization operates over 9,800 schools, 148 universities, 4,500 colleges, 1,000 plus super specialty hospitals, and the numerous old-age homes, orphanages, homes for blind, deaf and dumb, homes for destitutes, institutions for the differently able spread across 217 countries. His speech was the inspiring according to the organizers. He is invited as guest to all the 148 universities which is spread across 217 countries. Now he can recommend a scholarship for our students to all their universities. Now I would like to invite Mr. Benjamin sir to deliver this address to this gathering.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണം ആശംസിക്കുകയാണ്. പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു 20 മിനിറ്റ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ മന്ത്രി വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പുള്ളി കൊള്ളാപ്പൂരിന് ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വരുന്ന വഴിക്ക് ഭൂത്പൂര് റോഡ് ബ്ലോക്കായ അവിടെ ബ്ലോക്കിൽ കിടക്കുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ 2-3 പ്രാവശ്യം വിളിച്ചു എത്താൻ വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി മാത്രം വരുന്നു. പിന്നെ വീണ്ടും തിരിച്ച് പുള്ളി പോവുകയാണ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ നമ്മുടെ ഒരു മന്ത്രിയായിരുന്ന മാണിക്യ പ്രസാദ് സാറിന്റെ മാഡം നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ട്. പുള്ളിക്കാരിയെ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വളരെ ചെറുപ്പം തോന്നി. ഷീസ് മോർ ദാൻ 90 years. 80 sorry. So we welcome you to this program. 70 she came for this program. Madam vannu nammade koottayam kanikkanayittu vannu. Madam ee meeting like swagatham cheyyana. So it's a great privilege. You all know Pura Venkateshan sir. He's coming cabinet rank, not an IAS now. Only went to cabinet rank while he was the principal secretary of Raj Bhavan, governor, and the principal secretary of education department. Education department itself is a seat which you cannot see. Universities, colleges, degree colleges, junior colleges, schools, he controlled that. At the same time Raj Bhavan also. Now we are so close to Raj Bhavan because of Venkateshan sir. When he became the principal secretary of Raj Bhavan, he invited us, he introduced us. Now we have here Mr. Hemant, who have given the gift now. Annapurna is here. They all are introduced to the Raj Bhavan through Venkateshan sir. Wherever he goes, he always connects with the people and their developments. So I am not taking much of your time. We have to use our time to serve others. So association is formed to serve others. Now we have people from all the association executive members, their families are here. You are going to start your own in your own places. Meanwhile, I will be coming there. Anyhow, I thank Venkateshan sir for coming here. Our kindly president, Mr. M. Abraham sir, kindly General Secretary Alex sir, CTRM General Secretary Sabu sir, അങ്ങനെ എല്ലാവരും നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ CTR വൈസ് പ്രസിഡന്റ് പ്രദീപ്, പിന്നെ RK, ഇതിന് നേതൃത്വം കൊടുക്കുന്ന മനോജ് അങ്ങാടിക്കൽ, അദ്ദേഹമൊക്കെ രാത്രി മൊത്തം ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പലരും പേര് വിട്ടുപോയെങ്കിൽ ക്ഷമിക്കുക, മനഃപൂർവ്വമല്ല. വന്നതിനുള്ള സന്തോഷം അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകളെ ചുരുക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Now, it is our honor and privilege to welcome another eminent personality to this gathering. We have with us Sri Bura Venkatesham Garu, Chairman of the Telangana. I would like to invite Mr. Sabu, General Secretary CTR, for addressing this gathering.
Good evening to all of you. Ellarkum namaskaram. I will not take any of your time. I am just here to pay my respect to the honorable guest on the dais. My deep respect to you, sir, Sri Venkatesham Garu, and also to our honorable President, Sri Livi Benjamin, and honorable President of Kairali, Emma Mapran, sir, and General Secretary, Kairali Samajam, Sri Alex, sir. I know what kind of mood you are in. It's such a great band playing behind us. I know you are in a very great mood to celebrate. So I'll just say that I wish advance Onam to all of you and have a great time. Enjoy the music and have a memorable day. Thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, it is our honor and privilege to welcome another eminent personality to this gathering. We have with us Sri Bura Venkatesham Garu, Chairman of the Telangana Public Service Commission, a visionary administrator and a highly respected leader. Sri Bura Venkatesham sir has contributed immensely to governance, public service and cultural promotion in the state of Telangana. His presence here today is truly inspiring and we are delighted to have him with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and give a big applause to him as we warmly welcome him. Now it's my privilege to invite sir to share his thoughts with us.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണം ശംശകൾ. പ്രകൃതി സുന്ദരമായ ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ സ്വന്തം നാടെന്ന് അളിയ പേരിന് കേരളം. So Kerala is so beautiful. Kerala is so great. It's a God's own country. So that big name and the greatness of this thing, Kerala, എല്ലാവർക്കും ജാതി മതം മാവലിയെ പലവേർക്കും ഉത്സവം ഓണം. So each and every community, every religion, everybody would like to participate in this festival. There is no other festival which is celebrated by everybody of all religions, all communities. I have never seen any festival like that. Suppose Diwali may be a great festival, but normally no other community people, no other religious people will celebrate. Like that, if it is Ramzan also, only few communities. Christianity, only their festival. So, but only in Kerala, this special festival, which is celebrated by all religions, by everybody. This is the speciality of this festival, where it brings in all the people together. There is no such example anywhere in the world. And Malayalis being there across the globe, probably this is the only festival which is celebrated across the world, including America to New Zealand to Caribbean islands to Africa, everywhere. So when we were in Bangalore, we used to live in a Malayali house only. My first posting outside Hyderabad was in Bangalore. So one day suddenly there was big festival atmosphere was there. So we asked, what is this? They said, this is Onam. All the drivers were also Malayalis. We were only Telugu family. So the kind of enthusiasm, kind of happiness they used to share with us was immense. So that kind of wonderful atmosphere we can't imagine. And when during our IAS training also, we have travelled across the length and breadth of Kerala. From Sultan Batheri to Kanyakumari, through Trivandrum and all. So every place, I have not left any place. Probably you must not have seen all the districts and all the places. I've seen all the places. Practically every important town and place we have visited in Kerala. It's such a beautiful and well kept, well mannered people. It's a beautiful place. So Onam is a festival of togetherness. Onam is a festival of welcoming goodness. Onam is welcoming tradition. So that kind of festival, and in as part of Click, what Libby was trying to say, Libby Benjamin was trying to say, we have created an organization called Click. Click is culture, language, all of you must be knowing anyway, Indian connection. So there are hundreds of places, then there may be some 30-40 important languages, but all small, big together. If you take, there are more than 500-600 languages in our country. So various languages, various cultures. Even in Kerala, each district has its own identity. Say, if you see Palghat area to Alpuza, there is lots of difference. From Kannur to Kochi, there is a difference. So you may look like Malayalis everywhere together, but within that place, there are lots of differences. So to integrate India into one strong country, while we celebrate our diversity, we must bring together ourselves as one unity, one big, strong country. Because India is a very fragile country to that extent. Because we are so divided, but that is the beauty of India. So that's why this Click, Culture, Language, Indian Connection is the organization which brings in all people together. So that's why Bihari man is, he has attended Hemant. Hemant is from Bihar. So unless then Arohi, she is from Uttarakhand. She is attending. So then Annapurna is from Hyderabad anyway. So like this, we have to invite other people, other states, other language people to come and see our festivals. Same way, if Bihar is celebrating their own festival, maybe Teej festival or whatever other festivals, they should call Malayalis also. So like that, then only you will understand each other's culture. See, we take pride in saying that I know Spanish, I know French, I know German, but we don't take pride in saying that I know Malayalam, I know Punjabi, I know Gujarati, I know Bengali, or a Bengali man saying that I know Telugu or I know Tamil. So this is what should happen in our country. So for this organization is born, and Malayalis are the backbone of this organization. I must say, all of you are doing great work, no doubt about it. Then we celebrate street festival every year during Sankranti time. Maximum stalls, maximum participation is always from Malayalis. Always. So because of Libby Benjamin or your other participants, you people do wonderful. So Kerala, though it is of similar population like Telangana, and the area was smaller than Telangana, but in terms of culture, in terms of activeness, in terms of this thing, it is second to none. They are always there. So I congratulate all of you for taking this festival to the global level and also creating that strength of unity in the country, and remembering a king as God. Mavaliye, what we call Bali, Mahabali, you respect him so much. You are waiting for him to come on this day to bless. So that kind of wonderful, warm and welcome to the great king is the testimony of this great festival. So I thank each one of you coming over here to this Samskruti hall. And this hall used to be most of the time closed when I was in Rajbhavan as Principal Secretary to Governor. Then we convinced our Honorable Governor that the place should reverberate with lots of activity, with various cultures, various languages. That's how now this place is open. So same way it is open for all the physically challenged, it is open for kids, it's open for other underprivileged people, so that everybody should feel the administration is also belong to them. It's not that it's only for privileged, it's for everyone. So that is the model of governance which we are trying to put in this place. So all the best, and especially now I am being in a Public Service Commission as chairman, and one more, I must tell you, for all our Public Service Commission chairpersons, there is a conference. Recently we went to Trivandrum, and Kerala Public Service Commission is considered as Mother Public Service Commission. Why? Because why we specially consider it as Mother Public Service Commission? There is no other recruitment agency other than Public Service Commission. From attender to your engineering chief or anybody, any level of recruitment is done only by the Public Service Commission. For example, in Telangana, there is Public Service Commission, there is a Police Recruitment Board, there is a Teachers Recruitment Board, there is a Medical Recruitment Board, there are a number of others. And most of the staff belong to, say, attendants, office staff, office subordinates, class 4, data entry operators. Most of them are outsourced or on contract. But in Kerala, there is no such system. Everybody is a regular employee. So that is the strength of it. You cannot know the importance of the Public Service Commission there. They are doing great work. So most of us in India, in all Public Service Commission, we always quote Kerala as a model in terms of public recruitment. And I have never seen that anybody doing dharna that this went wrong, that went wrong. They will only ask, you please expedite more notification, you please give more jobs. Nobody will ask postpone it or cancel it. No, never. It's always positive. So with that kind of positivity, now Kerala has to really show the path ahead for our 2047 when we celebrate our 100 years of Indian independence. See, I will tell one important thing and then I'll close. When Britishers left, India was an impoverished country. But during the starting period of Britishers or the heyday of British Empire, India was the richest country in the world. It was, though there were many poor people, there is no doubt there were many poor people. But Indian economy, if the same size continued today, it should have been $45 trillion economy, 45 trillion. That means today USA is around 27, which we call the richest country in the world, is only 27 trillion. India, if it continued the same pace of development, it would have been 44 trillion economy, the richest country in the world. But only problem with the Indian system was, it was not evenly distributed. Rich were very rich, poor were very poor. It always happens in India. It should not happen like that. Everybody should have minimum basic needs met. That egalitarian society, inclusive society is most important. That's how, because we were divided, there were many poor people who are willing to work for their small wages. We were divided on caste lines, we were divided on community lines, we were divided on other lines. So people outside came and they tried to capture our country. You have seen how they have captured our great country. And we became their slaves. We became their slaves. Otherwise, what is Britain? A small country. Now it's the size of Kerala or Tamil Nadu. That's all. Not bigger than that. So that's how our division will make us very weak. So because of that, now it is time for us to again chart that future course that each state now is trying to become 2 trillion economy, 3 trillion economy, like that. $3 trillion. So for example, like now we have 28 states. 28 states into 2 to 3 trillion by 2047. Bigger states will 5 trillion. So we should be touching at least 50 to 60 trillion dollar economy by 2047. Then probably each Indian, every Indian will have minimum needs met. Everything which is needed for a dignified life, not a luxury life. Dignified, decent life, we could have assured. And Kerala always showed the way, because when we travelled across the length and breadth of Kerala, the rural self-governance is one of the best in the world, best in the country. Whereas communists in other states may hesitate, but communists in Kerala will always support strict discipline, always. Because we used to see, I used to see, for example, if you go to hospital, there the cleaning, everything is done by collecting some fee from the visitors. Suppose here in Telangana, for example, somebody is in hospital, some 30 people will go, 40 people will go with disturbing everybody. Nobody pays anything. If you ask them, they will try to argue, they will beat up, they will fight. Same way, a sarpanch in Kerala or a Samiti president, Panchayat president, they are so powerful. They take so much of responsibility that my village school should be the best. So that kind of things, probably each one of you, if you share this across the country, probably there will be a qualitative change in the way we think, we work, and we achieve our results. So then India can be real great country. What that time, what we call as Vishwaguru in earlier years, from there to present years, it should become the best. So again thanking you and making all of you feel happy for this great Onam. So I once again congratulate you on this great festival. Nandri. Namaskaram.
We acknowledge the presence of Dr. Geeta Madam, wife of our regulation sir. Madam, thank you for coming. നമ്മുടെ ഗവർണർ അത്രമാത്രം ഇവിടെ ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ടും എത്താൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പെട്ടെന്ന് അയച്ചു തന്നത്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മനസ്സ് നമ്മളോട് എപ്പോഴും ഇപ്പോഴേ പുള്ളിയുടെ PS വിളിച്ചു വെച്ചോ പറഞ്ഞോ നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ എൻ്റെ മനസ്സുണ്ടെന്നുള്ള കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞോ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ എത്താൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് എത്തിയെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വന്നതിന് നമ്മളോട് നോക്കുന്നത് മിനിസ്റ്റർ വഴിക്കൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ കണ്ടത്.
We sincerely thank you, sir, for your kind words and affection you have expressed towards us. As a mark of our respect and affection, we would now like to present a token of love to Sri Budat Venkateshan Garu. Then I invite to Manoj Angadikar for giving ഷാൾ കൊടുക്കുന്നതിനായി മനോഹരൻ സാനെയും വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നു. Give a big applause.
സാവ് സാറേ തിരിച്ച് ആ അതെ നല്ല കാര്യമാണ് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നത്.
ലോട്ടറി എടുക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. ആർക്കാണ് ലാപ്ടോപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയാം. അമ്മ വർഗീസ് പറയണത് ഇളക്കി
മുകളിൽ
കൈ കൊണ്ട് തരാൻ മതിക്ക് ഉണ്ടാകുക. കൈയിട്ട് ഇളക്കി
നല്ലോണം പോരാ പോരാ
എടുക്കണം കേട്ടാ.
ബെൽറ്റ്
ഒരാൾ മൊബൈൽ ഓൺ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അടിക്കാൻ നമ്പർ അടിക്കാൻ.
സൗമ്യ 84980640.
They came all the way from North to Telangana. Started at 3 a.m. today. They are not Telangana associated. Bring the laptop. North Telangana is 3 മണിക്ക് വന്നതാണ് ഐഡിയ ഹോട്ടൽ. വെളുപ്പം 3 മണിക്ക് യാത്ര തിരിച്ച് ബസ്സിൽ വന്നതാണ്.
ഒളിച്ചു കാണിക്കണോ ഇതൊക്കെ?
ഇതിന്റെ അകത്ത് നിമിഷാന്റെ കൈയോട്ടെ.
അടിപൊളി ലാപ്ടോപ്പ്
കാണാം. അതൊന്നും സൗമ്യ നിമിഷാന്ന് കൊടുക്കാനുള്ള കൊടുക്കണം.
എന്റെ പേരെപ്പെട്ടാ ഇനി.
Thank you for everyone. Thank you.
പേന ഇതിനെ കൊണ്ടാ അങ്ങനെ പറയാ സാറേ, അങ്ങനെ പറയാ,
അങ്ങനെ പറയാം.
ഇടാ അങ്ങനെ
Number 7,